When trying to figure out what I wanted to do for the next 2 years, from a community college to a traditional 4-year, Elms really stuck out to me. So I came to Elms with a goal in becoming a nurse, and I was unsure about it. They had such a wide range of majors here, and I think I felt comfortable knowing I could do something else other than nursing. I had that freedom of switching my major at any point. Even though I came here as a nursing major, the campus faculty and fellow students really encouraged me in trying to find what I really wanted to do and my true passion, which is now an English major. It pushed me out of my comfort zone, but I think it really benefited me in the end because now I teach poetry, and I think I really connected with the right people. Coming to Elms, I was able to find people who were really supportive of my work, my creativity. They really kind of pushed me like, hey, you have a talent here, and you should definitely consider this. Pretty awesome. I can be content with my future career as a writer. Like, oh, this is meant for me. I really enjoy this, and I could inspire others, like as a teacher, as a tutor, to kind of just channel that creativity. You should come to Elms College. Definitely for the small classroom sizes, you really get to know your professors. They're so willing to give you the resources, stay after class. They really want you to excel here.